Okay, what is going on, guys? Dominator here. You have 5 minutes to film this. We're not gonna get moving, simply because I don't depart until 6:04, and game time is currently 5:09. So this is just showing you about the cab of the F40PH-2CAT -2CAT, which is basically a Metro F40 with a CAT prime mover. So, and then I'll have a separate video of me actually driving the train. This is also on a TSW that I showed you guys I got a couple of days ago. So, your engine start, or your engine run, generator field, and control fuel pumper right there. You come down here, you got your headlights. I'll show you the outside view in a second. You got your throttle, your dynamic. This is very touchy. Your automatic brake, it is very touchy. If you slow down too quickly, you could miss the station or so, or stop too early. Your independent brake, horn, bell. So we'll come over to the window, open it up. That's your bell. If we come up here, and I'm doing a rainy run, you got your cab light and your wipers are right there. Got your sun visor, your secondary seat. Let's go outside here. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's not easy at all to do. So, come out here, there's 905. What's up? And these are all CDTX. All Caltrans. There's mine. Number 913. It's my baby. Every run I make is always a 913 if I can. So, right now we're just waiting for departure. And then we're going to get rolling to San Jose, Diridon. And I'll blow the horn from an outside view here in a second. Let me sit back down. If you guys know anything about the controls, you guys know what I'm pressing. We're gonna get a free camera, and of course my train. Oh shit! Damn it! Put the throttle on 2. Shit! I forgot to press Y on that. Damn it! So if we come down to my locomotive. That looks amazing. By the way, that shot. I'm going to get a shot of that here in a second. And then, of course, your ditch lights flash. So they're more like pulse. They don't really flash because one doesn't go out. No, it does. No, it's gonna go out. But your ditch lights go. Just like on a Metro. The only difference between you and a Metro is that you do not have a top rotator. If you come up here, now I take a look at the headlights. Your top headlight does not rotate like it would on a Metro. So I'm going to back up just a bit more. Get a shot here. Because that just looks amazing. Not record that, damn it. Damn it. There we go, screenshot that. So, there we go. So, yeah guys, with just a couple of minutes left, about a minute left, we'll see you guys later, when we actually get moving. But it's just a little bit of a cab tour, and then I'll have the cab car when we get to San Jose, Diridon. It's going to be a little bit of a series, I guess you could say. So, what else did I forget to show you? Oh, back here. I'll show you guys marker lights when we get to San Jose, Diridon, which front number boards, engine room lights, and your front markers. And then down here is your fuse cabinet. got a bunch of little doohickeys. Over there is your HEP, which my HEP is on right now. But other than that, that's about it, guys. So, only a couple seconds left.